Harry's getting fed up with block life.
What's the hardest thing about renovating on the block?
Doing on-the-fly interviews. If something's going wrong, they'll pull you aside, they'll discuss it.
What's going on, Harry?
Nothing why. It's not a normal renovation where you can just go in and do the work, and not be disrupted.
Is that Dad?
Just saw me and he just went in the other direction.
You're disrupted all the time.
Yeah, almost like we're making a TV show. Like this one. It's called The Block. I quite like this one.
I don't think he quite understands what we're doing here.
So Harry's found a sanctuary away from all the cameras.
I tried to hide from the crew in my Mustang.
Or so he thinks.
I got found.
They could hear you breathing through your mic.
They got a camera. They got a secret camera on me somewhere.
Everything getting harder to find. Everybody jumping out of their mind.
Harry!
I'm in a car, so have I got a pencil? I haven't got a pencil, no.
Harry still hasn't left his Mustang.
Mustang Sally!
I've got in the office, Natasha.
Where?
It's in the Mustang. Welcome to my office.
Just with the wallpaper.
Yes, how'd you go?
They're reprinting it again tonight.
Okay, good. Thank you. No worries, mate.
How can you have an office in the Mustang?
It's quite simple.
How?
I can do all the work from my office. I've got no crew around me. No one to disturb me. Got my sound system. Got my contacts. Can speak to all my favourite contractors.
And the best bit about Harry's new office, it's on wheels for a fast getaway.
No, sorry, guys. Got no time for you, sorry. Sorry. No, I'm done.
Poor Harry's having a bad day. All thanks to a faulty bathroom getting the better of him.
Born to be wild. Born to be wild.
I went and took the Mustang out for a bit of a drive down freeway to Sorrento.
What?
Is
that how far you went today?
I went to get vanilla slice.
Oh, so painting didn't get done, not because trades were there, because you were off into Sorrento getting vanilla slice.
Harry did.
You're lying, you're full of crap.
After a day gone AWOL, Harry's finally returned, ready for block life once again.
It was great. Got plenty of power, it's comfortable, kept getting glances looking at me. I'm not quite sure it was me or the car. Fuck.